Making videos online, it's no longer in use. And also making videos on YouTube by uploading other people content, it's no longer in use. But where the issue is how do you upload these videos in order to avoid getting a copyright strike, and also how to make money from uploading this video. If you clicked on this video, I am going to assure you that at the end of this video, you're going to know how to upload these videos on Facebook without getting a copyright strike, and then you can make money from it. I am going to teach you how to do that on your desktop device and also on your mobile phone. So you are going to learn how to do it. So please stick to the end of the video, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. So for today, where we're going to find this video is on the Facebook. So log into your Facebook. When you open up the Facebook app, go to the video section. When you're at the video section, we're going to be searching for two criteria on any video we want to repurpose. Now, the videos now we're going to be looking out for are videos that have 500,000 views above and also 1,000 comments. Now, why are we looking for videos that have these two criteria? It's because these are videos that are already proven that they are going to have views. So that is what we're going to be working on. Okay, we've seen what now. Now, this is now the main part. How do we repurpose this video in order for us now not to get a copy strike, and it's going to look very unique? The next thing we need is your editing software now, your video editing software. Now, this is going to help us do the magic. Now, for me, I'm going to be using CapCut for this today. So now when that is done, you go and get a video of you. You just sit down and film yourself, maybe for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. I think so. 10 minutes will be okay, because so that you can use this clip of you differently for different types of videos. After you've gotten a niche and you've downloaded your video, now I'm not going to tell you how you're going to download your video because I am avoiding a copyright strike. You can go and search that online. It's very easy and you can know how to do it now. After you've gotten a niche you want to do, you've seen a video you like, you want to work on, go straight up into your editor. When you're inside your editor, drag in that clip you've downloaded, then add a clip of you just sitting down, making a facial reaction to what you're watching. Now, this a clip of you can be done once. You can do it a 10-minute length or a 5-minute length, so that you will not have to always recreate it. So you put that at the side of the video you downloaded. Now, that is a perfect way to make your video look very good and also unique. The next thing you're going to add to make this thing very unique, it's for you now to add text to it. Add text, label this video. Now, you've watched through the video. What do you think this video is talking about? Now, remember, the title you're writing on top of the video must be something very interesting that will make people want to watch the video till the end. So now, after that is done, you can see to a 99% chance now your video has already been repurposed. Now you can export it and upload it on your Facebook. Now you can also add sound to it to just make it look unique. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about that is going to help you be 130% sure that nobody can come and drag you on this video is when you remove the audio of the video, the original audio of the video. Now, when you've removed the original audio of the video, you can now add your own audio. You add your own audio of the video. It's something that you can do without stress. Now, how do you do this? You click on the recorder icon on your editor app. After you've done that, now you record, you talk about what the video is talking about. You just talk about what the other person was talking about on the video, and you see when you export this, it becomes very unique. Now, what some creators do is that they add a voiceover either at the beginning and allow the video play. But I also advise just add a voiceover, talk about the video, make it unique so it carries a touch of you and a touch of your creativity on it. Now, so that is how you can repurpose a video on your desktop. Now let's dive into a mobile device so that I can show you how you can do this on your mobile phone. So this is very easy with your mobile phone. Okay, first thing first I want you to do is go to your Play Store. If you've watched this video up to now, please, why have you not liked? Why have you not subscribed? Please leave a comment. If you're getting value, please do that. That is the only way you can encourage me to keep bringing value back on this table. Okay, so please like and also subscribe to my channel. So please go to your Play Store if you want to do this on your mobile device and download the app called X Recorder. Okay, you download the app called X Recorder, and these are some settings we're going to do on the app before we start using it to work on our videos we've downloaded. So also on the mobile phone, it's still the same process. You download the video into your device, then you open the X Recorder. Now the X Recorder app helps you now to give reactions immediately to your videos now. So when you've opened the X Recorder app, you just go straight to settings, then you go to audio settings. Now, all the permission it needs. Now you go to settings, very easy now. Very easy. When you go to your settings, you go to audio settings. When you go to audio settings, why are we doing this? There are some things we have to edit in order to make it give us what we really want. Now, when you go to audio setting, you go to internal audio. When you click on internal audio, you click allow. Please, when you're selecting the audio channel, select the mono, because the stereo is going to record both the outside for you. Noise reduction, I always like putting on the noise reduction. Then you go back, you scroll, you go to tools. And when you go to tools, you click on face cam. Now, when you click on face cam, it pops up a camera. It pops up a camera for you automatically. Now, when that is done, you are good to go. Now, that is the beauty of this app. Now, the next thing you have to do is to exit the app. Now, you go to your gallery and you select the video you want to react to. You click on record. There is a pop-up button here. You just click on record there. You go to your gallery. Now, let me go to my gallery. Let me choose a video I want to react to. When you've seen a video you want to react to, you click on the record button here. When you click on the record button, it records your facial reaction and also what is playing on your screen. So you can go like, ah, these people are using this game for ritual. It's a bad thing. Things like this are not allowed. Why will you do something like this? Now, so you can see as I'm doing this now, you can see my screen now on the other side. As I'm doing this now, automatically it is recording my reaction and also recording the video now. So you can also add your sound to this. Or secondly, you can also leave their sound there. Wait, let me reduce their sound. You can also reduce the sound and let your own be heard. Now, you see, this is a very simple way. Now, when you're done with this, you just click your save button and you're done. Then you take it to your Facebook and upload it. This is how you make a unique reaction video. This is how you can repurpose any video and make it unique and upload it on your Facebook and make money from it. Please, if you've gotten value from this video, please like, share. Don't forget, I love comments. Please drop comments. Drop a comment about what you've learned from this video. And if you're going to try it out, also tell me. And if you have any challenges on the way while trying out the whole thing, also let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video.